I'm here for you 24/7.
Get your bread. What's going on today, people? Bam Lit, Ghetto Investor. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want to talk today about a video I made about a year ago. About if the stock market crash, I'll be rich. Guess what? It ain't crashed yet. It took a dip, and I made a lot of money. Now, I'm gonna say this again, right? We going through a trade war right now, right? I tell people invest in the S&P 500 because there's an index fund and it got the largest 500 companies. So I don't tell people to invest in individual stocks, and I don't tell people to trade. Okay, trading and investing is two different things. I lost $7,000 to learn how to trade. Okay, trading and investing is two different things. Everybody could get their rate of return. That's all I'm saying. Get your rate of return. Taking a little trip to the bank. I'm going to make a little small donation. But if the stock market drop, I'm going to be rich. I'm going to be rich. You can make money going down. You can make money going up. But that's when you start to get smarter, and that's when you start to get better with what you're doing. You know, if you don't know what you're doing, then you don't know what you're doing. You got to study. That's part of life. You know, one or the other. You learn from somebody like me, okay? Or you jump in the market, and the market will teach you. You know? But this is what I mean by when they be like the rich get richer and the poor don't get a damn thing. It's because of what you doing. You're not trying to teach yourself, or you're not trying to learn. So when you put yourself in that type of predicament, you make your life harder. That's it. It's not hard. Keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple, silly. However you want to call it. Whichever you, I don't care how. Y'all know I'm bugged the hell out. In favor to win. Do you see all these buildings being knocked down in the world? Do you see everybody living on the goddamn streets? No. Get your rate of return. Ain't no system. It's you. The stock market crash right now, I'm going to be rich. I'm going to be rich. I mean super rich. I mean super wealthy. Retardedly wealthy. Retardedly wealthy. See that? It's love. We want everything now. We want everything now. That's the problem. Nobody don't want to take no time. Everything take time. You know what I mean? Everybody want it now. So everybody want it now. You mess up your whole brain. Because you start doing shit that you're not supposed to be doing. You know what I mean? And what's so crazy about it is, it'd be the simplest things that could take you to the next level. And people scared of the simple things. And that don't make no sense. That's why I say common sense is a superpower. Common sense has got to be a superpower. Because people scared that could take them to the next level. You understand what I'm telling you? Better start investing. Better get your life together. Better do something, because you're going to spend the money on bullshit. You're going to spend the money on junk anyway. So you got to balance yourself out, and that's how you do it. Oh, Lord. Police just came out with somebody. Yeah, boy. That's how I go, though. You got to keep life simple, man. Ain't too much for me to talk about. Go look at some of the videos. You got to understand that when you put your money in the bank, you get some nada. When you have your money in an investment account, you get paid 3 times. You get your rate of return for the year, okay? You get a dividend pay every 3 months, every quarter, okay? And you get stock appreciation. It can't get no better than that. And understand that all you got to do is sacrifice for 2 years. 2. 1. And then you'll see your rate of return, and you'll really see some money. Straight up. Ghetto. Only use your bank account just to transfer to investment accounts. Pay some bills or something. TD. Smell me? TD Bank, the TD Ameritrade. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for visiting a TD ATM. I'm here for you 24/7.
Get your bread.